Credit Glory Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the products and tools mentioned in this video are in the description below. If you're trying to improve your credit score and remove negative items from your credit report, Credit Glory is a professional credit repair service designed to help individuals dispute inaccurate information and build stronger credit profiles over time. The company focuses on providing personalized credit repair strategies rather than a fully automated system, which makes it especially useful for people dealing with multiple negative accounts or complicated credit histories. One of the main features of Credit Glory is its detailed credit analysis process. After signing up, the team reviews your credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus and identifies items that may be inaccurate, outdated, or potentially disputable. These can include late payments, collections, charge-offs, hard inquiries, identity errors, or other negative marks that are impacting your credit score. Once the analysis is complete, Credit Glory develops a customized dispute strategy and begins sending dispute letters to the credit bureaus and creditors on your behalf, following proper credit reporting guidelines to maximize the chances of removing questionable items. Another important feature is the personalized support that clients receive throughout the process. Credit Glory assigns credit specialists who guide you through each step, explain what actions are being taken, and provide recommendations for improving your credit habits moving forward. Clients can also track dispute progress through their account dashboard and receive updates when responses from credit bureaus are received. In addition to dispute management, the service also focuses on credit education, helping users understand how factors such as payment history, credit utilization, and account age affect their credit score. In terms of strengths, Credit Glory stands out for its customized approach and hands-on support. Unlike many automated credit repair tools, the company works directly with clients and adapts its strategy based on each individual credit report. This makes it particularly useful for people who prefer professional assistance rather than handling disputes themselves. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. Like all legitimate credit repair companies, Credit Glory cannot remove accurate negative information and cannot guarantee specific score improvements. The service also charges monthly fees, which can add up if the credit repair process takes several months. Additionally, results depend on the cooperation of credit bureaus and creditors. Overall, Credit Glory is a solid option for individuals who want professional credit repair support with a personalized strategy aimed at improving credit accuracy and long-term financial health.